Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. This week, of course, we're doing some stamping. We're going to be using the black sticky stamping polish, the opaque. It is new. Before it was just sticky stamping polish. Now they have the opaques where it says that on the labels. Gina and the company has came out with a whole slew of colors that she's releasing on yesterday, as a matter of fact. So check out SheModern.com's catalog. Check out their part here on YouTube. They run lives Tuesday and Fridays of every week, doing tips and tricks, swatches, you name it, Tina does it. I'm not using the white today, just the black. I'm also going to be using the sparkling jet black glitter pixie, the oldie but goodie sparkling glow in the dark pigment. I have used nail reserves. Here are my nails. This is in another glass. That's the name of the color. It is beautiful. Look at this. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love it. I used their base coat. I'm going to be using their matte top coat. I'm going to be using SheModern shiny gloss top coat at the end, and I'm going to also be using their glue stencil gel. Got my stamper, my scraper. My stamping plate is 2Joy-001. We are using these two images here. There you go. So what we're going to do first is apply some sticky icky. Some stencil glue gel onto all of the nails. Try not to make this video too long. We're going to do this to all 5 nails. Pop them in the lamp. Maybe I should have ordered another bottle of this. Oh, holy cow. Maybe I have another bottle. I don't know. Maybe. Pop those in the lamp. I'm giving it 60 seconds and we'll return. Alrighty, we are back. We are now... I'm missing a nail. Holy cow, Batman. Look at this glow in the dark pigment. We're going to take each one of the nails and we are going to tap, tap, tap. This is what we're going to do to all 5 nails so that these babies will glow in the dark. I'm going to put a matte top coat over them. Tap, tap, tap. Now this is a free pouring bottle, so you do want to be careful. You don't want to waste your product. Rub-a-dub-dub. Give it a light brush. Go on to your next nail. Alrighty, we are back. The nails have been gone over with the glow in the dark. And then I put nail reserves. Their matte top coat. I can't see their name of it, but it's their matte top coat. I'm going to now stamp with SheModern's opaque sticky stamping polish. We've got that. We have our SheModern reinforced sticky stamper. They're no longer carrying this, which is very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. I love, love, love it. I'm glad that I bought more than one. That way I have this one, which is the one I use the most, and I've ripped it. Probably the first time that I used it. And some short, sharp stilettos. Whoops. Try to get all the little particles that I do not want on my nail. We are going to go in on the middle finger. There you go. Where's my remover? Clean up your plate. Clean up your stamper. Each and every use. Always want to start with a clean stamper. There goes the phone. Shoot. Can't stop knocking it over. And roll your image over. I am going to be going over these with that black sheer sparkling jet black glitter mix. Couldn't think of what to call it. I did not clean my image. I did clean my stamper. Let's see, where are we? So I want them going in a certain direction. And I do. Oh my god, Instagram is going crazy tonight. This is filming this on Thursday evening about 9 o'clock. And Instagram's just going nuts from time to time. Everybody is busy. I'm going to take my glitter and apply it over the flowers. And I'm just going to tap. I'm not rubbing, just tapping. Oh my god. I totally plugged the nail. Tap. Get a fluffy brush. Lightly brush off your image. And there you go. Pretty sparkly. I'll do the same with each nail. Tap. Lightly brush off. And there you go. Now with the sticky stamping polish you have a window. And that's what's beautiful about SheModern sticky stamping polish. You've got such a window. You don't have to jump right in. You can take your time. You can do watercolor around it, but you can take your time. You don't have to rush right in. Let me clean my stamper. Clean it good. I'm going to go back in the same last image here. Pick up with my scraper. Shoot. We're going to take some of this off here now, because I only want a couple. I don't want a lot. It's floating, going bye-bye through the air. So I don't want as many on the thumb and the ring finger, or the thumb and the baby finger. your little baby finger. Pick up. Remove the excess that you do not want. And this is going to be going this way, so there we go. Shoot, I'm all thumbs. Roll it over the nail, get your lint roller, clean up your scraper. Here is our manicure. We're going to do our last nails, two last nails with the pixie glitter. We remove this. I think those are so pretty. So pretty. Tap. That's all it takes is tapping, no rubbing. Just tap it. Just tap it. There we go. There is our manicure for today. Where's my lid? I lost the lid. Oh, I found it. I got it. We are now going to top coat our manicure. I think this turned out really cute. It's very simple, but I think it is very cute. We'll be using, like I said, the Shiny Glossy Top Coat by SheModern. This is still available on the website. They have a shiny, they have a satin, and a matte. And I'm a glossy kind of gal. Top coat on. We're not doing no bling this week. Total SheModern product. Nail art. Creativity. Just letting the SheModern products sparkle and stand on their own. Now remember, these are going to be glow-in-the-dark nails. And this has got such a strong glow. After I put it on and took it out of the lamp, I couldn't come right back. I had to wait probably a good 10-15 minutes for the glow to go away, where it just shone on camera the color of the nail. So it's got a really strong glow to it. Really strong glow. This is gel polish with the lamp. I don't know how it would do on regular with the sun, or how you would do. So we're going to pop this in the lamp. Oh wow. We're going to give this a full 60-second cure, and we will be right back. Alright, we are back. Here is fresh out of the lamp, and see that glow? I think that is just outstanding. So check out SheModern.com. Check their catalog. They've got 2 different glow powders. They've got a green and a blue. This is supposed to be the green, I guess. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, click on the bell. That way you get notified of all future giveaways, videos, and I currently have my 5-year anniversary giveaway going. Let's stick those back in the lamp for just a minute. Please go check out the giveaway. I'd really like everybody to enter. It's open to everybody. Nobody's excluded. I mean, some things are strictly US. Charlie's Nail Art is strictly UK. But there are 3 sticker envelopes giveaways. It could be designer stickers, regular stickers from BRC Nails, Tip6pieces.com, and myself. So, please go check out the giveaway and enter. Look for the video. It went up Wednesday night. I think these are outstanding. I really, really do. I think they're beautiful. Love, love, love the glow. So leave me a comment down below. Have yourself a blessed day, and thank you.